Hey, what's up guys, and welcome again in AnyTask channel. So today's video is going to be about how to withdraw from Timebucks. And we will be showing to you a payment proof of $10 that I received on Binance. So to withdraw from Timebucks, all you have to do is to reach the minimum withdrawal amount, which is at $10. And after that, the system will pay you automatically. And as you can see here guys, I have $10 in my wallet, and all I have to do is to wait for like 24 hours to get paid. So as you can see here guys, it says here paid. So let's check our Binance. And yeah guys, I received that in Litecoin and everything works fine. And that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you guys.